Get ready for a massive tech update as Google Cloud is officially stepping up its investment game in India. CEO Thomas Kurian just announced a major expansion strategy focused on heavy infrastructure, top-tier engineering talent, and deep enterprise partnerships across the region. This move signals a huge push to dominate the digital landscape in one of the world's fastest-growing markets. So stay tuned to see how this reshaped the tech ecosystem.
Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next up, we are looking at the massive transformation happening over at PepsiCo. The food and beverage giant is diving deep into a multi-year partnership with Google Cloud to overhaul its entire global supply chain using AI. They are embedding the Gemini enterprise agent platform directly into their operations to move faster and smarter than ever before, proving that the future of logistics is being written by intelligent software. Meanwhile, the hardware wars are heating up with Google debuting its 8th-generation TPUs. By splitting these into dedicated chips for training and inference, Google is tackling the memory wall head-on to boost AI performance to record levels. With billions in capital expenditure on the line, the company is betting big that this infrastructure will be the backbone of the agentic AI era. Finally, see how Tata Steel is taking industrial automation to the next level by deploying over 300 specialized AI agents across their global plants. From enhancing shop floor safety with video analytics to streamlining customer service, they are proving that AI is a practical, scalable partner for heavy industry. If you want to keep up with the latest in tech, AI, and industry shifts, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Ever wonder where the next frontier of the AI revolution is actually being built? It turns out, all roads lead to India. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian just dropped a massive announcement, signaling that Google is doubling down on India in a big way. We're talking about a three-pronged assault: massive infrastructure expansion, a hunt for elite engineering talent, and a surge in enterprise partnerships. This isn't just a routine upgrade, it's a strategic pivot. By sinking more capital into the region's digital backbone, Google is clearly betting that the sheer scale of the Indian market is the key to outmaneuvering their cloud competitors. For the local tech ecosystem, this is a massive vote of confidence that will likely supercharge innovation across the subcontinent. But what do you think? Is this move enough to solidify Google's dominance in the cloud wars, or are they playing catch-up in a crowded market? Let me know your take in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the tech giants shaping our future. At the end of the day, when big tech moves, the world changes, and right now, the spotlight is firmly on India. Ever wondered how a global giant like PepsiCo keeps its massive supply chain from snapping under the pressure of today's volatile market? It turns out the secret isn't just more trucks or warehouses, it's artificial intelligence. PepsiCo is doubling down on its partnership with Google Cloud, and it is a massive move that could redefine how food and beverage companies operate on a global scale. Announced at Cloud Next 26, this multi-year deal is all about embedding Google's Gemini enterprise agent platform into the very DNA of PepsiCo's operations. Think of it as a supercharged brain for their global logistics. As Athena Kanura, PepsiCo's chief strategy and transformation officer, put it, they are moving from mere insights to immediate, scalable action. It is about modeling scenarios that were previously impossible to run, giving them a level of speed and precision we have rarely seen in the industry. So, what does this actually look like on the ground? It boils down to three major pillars: building a rock-solid, AI-driven data foundation, making smarter decisions from the boardroom down to the individual retail store, and automating the mundane workflows that usually bog down human productivity. By cutting out the manual heavy lifting, PepsiCo is empowering its workforce to focus on what actually moves the needle. And let's talk tech for a second. This is all happening within a flexible, multi-cloud environment. By tapping into Google Cloud's global infrastructure, PepsiCo is building a digital ecosystem that is both agile and resilient. Thomas Kurian, the CEO of Google Cloud, hit the nail on the head. This is about putting the power of Gemini into the hands of the entire workforce to create a supply chain that can bend without breaking. Beyond just efficiency and cost-cutting, this transformation feeds directly into their PEP Plus sustainability goals. It is a powerful reminder that in the modern era, you cannot be a market leader without being a tech leader. If you found this breakdown of the future of logistics insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the innovations shaping our world. The future of global commerce isn't just about faster delivery. It's about thinking faster than the competition. Is Google preparing for a full-scale AI takeover? At this year's Google Cloud Next, the tech giant didn't just show off new toys. They laid the foundation for an entirely new era of computing. They officially pulled back the curtain on their 8th-generation TPUs, and frankly, the strategy has shifted. Instead of one-size-fits-all hardware, Google is splitting their chips into two specialized beasts, the TPU 8T for training and the TPU 8I for inference. Think of it as moving from a Swiss Army knife to a scalpel and a sledgehammer, both optimized for specific tasks to keep that AI engine humming. But here is the real kicker. That 8i inference chip is specifically designed to shatter the memory wall, that annoying bottleneck that keeps your AI responses crawling. By packing in 288 GB of high-bandwidth memory directly on chip, Google is aiming for near-zero latency. It is a bold move, but it is not cheap. We are talking about a projected capital expenditure of up to $185 billion for 2026. Yes, billion with a B. Analysts from JP Morgan and Citi are leaning into the buy side, arguing that the synergy between these proprietary chips, the Gemini model, and the new Gemini Enterprise Agent platform is a moat no one else can cross. The platform itself is a game changer, effectively turning complex AI deployment into a plug-and-play experience for businesses. But let's keep it real. That kind of spending isn't without risk. Wall Street is watching those profit margins like a hawk, wondering if the massive cash burn will eventually compromise the bottom line. It is a high-stakes gamble on the future of agentic AI. Google is betting that the shift from training models to constant, massive inference consumption is where the real gold mine lies. So, are they building a sustainable infrastructure empire, or is this the peak of an AI spending bubble? Hit that subscribe button and let me know your take in the comments. Do you think Google can maintain this pace without sacrificing their financial health? Imagine a steel mill where every machine, invoice, and safety protocol is essentially talking to a digital brain. It sounds like science fiction, but Tata Steel is making it their reality. In just the last 9 months, they have launched over 300 specialized AI agents across their global operations, proving that the era of pilot project AI is officially dead. Most industrial giants talk about digital transformation, but Tata Steel is actually building the factory of the future. By partnering with Google Cloud, they aren't just playing with chatbots. They are embedding agentic AI into everything from HR to high-risk manufacturing floors. It is a massive pivot from isolated tech experiments to a full-blown operational overhaul. So how are they pulling this off? It comes down to two major platforms. First, there is Zen AI, a low-code system that lets anyone, even managers on the factory floor, build their own AI agents without needing a degree in data science. Think of it as democratizing intelligence. Then, there is the Tata Steel Digital Assistant, a unified interface that pulls data from spreadsheets, PDFs, and internal records to help teams make smarter, faster decisions. It is the difference between guessing and knowing. But the real magic happens on the shop floor. Take Safety IQ, for example. It uses live video feeds to spot hazards in real time, keeping workers safe from heavy equipment and extreme heat. Meanwhile, Asset Sphere keeps the machines running by predicting maintenance before a breakdown happens. And the results? They have slashed customer complaint turnaround times by a staggering 50%. That is not just efficiency. That is a competitive edge that is nearly impossible to ignore. This scale is what makes Tata Steel a standout. While their competitors are still stuck in the weeds of digital transformation, Tata is already operating with a unified data ecosystem that taps into over 200 different AI models, including Google's multimodal Gemini. They've essentially turned industrial complexity into a streamlined, automated engine. As we move forward, the question for every legacy industry becomes clear. Are you going to keep treating AI like a science experiment, or are you ready to turn it into your most valuable employee? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of manufacturing, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Do you think AI is the key to fixing the global supply chain, or are we moving too fast? Thanks for watching, and keep looking ahead.